z-zeffien Amerikan Bobby Dacones, z-zeffien li kkollabora ma' diversi kantanti rinomati u ntagħżel ukoll għal films bħal The Muppet Movie, riklami ta' Reebok u Heineken, kif ukoll episodji ta' X Factor, Dancing with the Stars u the Billboard Music Awards. Fl-aħħar jiem, Dacones kien f'pajjiżna jgħallem tfal u żgħażagħ Maltin f'diversi workshops. Net News iltaqa' b'mod esklusiv ma' Dacones li jiddeskrivi s-żeffien bħala l-ħolma li dejjem kellu.
I've always wanted to dance. I've always been an artist. You know, I feel like it always been that way. I've always, you know, when my family, anyone turned on music, I wanted to dance. I've always wanted to create. You know, there really wasn't a dream before that.
Iżda jgħid li minkejja sija twal ta' prattika kuljum ma jqis li jagħmel xi sagrifiċċju.
Training is not sacrifice. Training is training. You know, I mean, maybe the sacrifice is like maybe losing certain friends that maybe we're not on the same path anymore. But is that really a sacrifice, or is that really just it is what it is? You know, you have to make choices.
Minkejja dan jirrikonoxxi li kellu bżonn ħafna ħidma u determinazzjoni li tfal qalilhom li kien hemm momenti fejn intalaq waħdu, jibki u jaħseb li ma kienx kapaċi.
Anything important does not come easy. Everything that matters takes time. You know, dedication, hard work. You know, to actually believe in yourself. When literally everyone doesn't believe in you, including the ones you love, don't believe in you.
Opportunitajiet li jaħdem ma' artisti bħal Selena Gomez, Zendaya, Missy Elliott, will.i.am, Miley Cyrus, Justin Timberlake u Ariana Grande fost l-oħrajn, l-aqwa mument tarih kienet kollaborazzjoni għall-leġġenda tal-mużika.
The one that always comes to mind is, you know, rest in peace, but the video I did for Michael Jackson. It was the video like that he came out with right after he died. It's Love Never Felt So Good. You know, that I will always cherish that moment. Doing anything for Michael, you know, that was that meant the world to me. Yeah, you know, everyone was crying. You know, he was there but wasn't there. You know, everyone can feel his spirit. He was there.
Din kienet it-tieni darba li Dacones żar pajjiżna wara li fl-Line of MTV tal-2012 z-zeffien flimkien ma' will.i.am.
I love this place. I love Malta. This is I've been here before. It's just beautiful. The architecture, the people, the life, like just the energy. You know, I love it here. It's I would love to come back. You know, after the first time I came here, I've been dying to come back.
B'udjenza li ħafna minna ffurmata minn tfal u żgħażagħ jgħid li xogħlu qed itih l-opportunità li jgħin itella ġenerazzjoni ġdida ta' żeffiena u jwassal messaġġ importanti.
I'm living life of what I love to do, what I want to do, my passion. Yeah. If you can do whatever you want, you just got to believe.
Dacones kien f'pajjiżna grazzi għal kollaborazzjoni u għall-ħbiberija li għandu ma' z-zeffien Malti Wayne Bonello illi ritorna f'Malta wara żmien twil jgħix fl-Istati Uniti.
We have a very strong and talented youth, really passionate and really hungry for it. That's my dream coming true right there. Me as a dancer is moving out of the scene. It's now they are the generation to come.
Fost l-attivitajiet organizzati kien hemm l-opportunità li tfal u żgħażagħ li jaspiraw li jsiru żeffiena jistaqsu lil Dacones dwar il-karriera tiegħu, id-diffikultajiet li ltaqa' magħhom imma wkoll l-opportunitajiet li kiseb.